If you have a corrupted zipper like me, you can fix it just by following my tips. So do exactly what I'm doing to fix my zipper. Let's go. First we have to press this two areas. You can have a plus, whatever tool you have, you need to press this two areas I have shown you, like exactly what I'm doing right now. You can see this is a corrupted zipper in my pant, so I need to fix it. I have this tool, this is called plus. This is really old what I have in my home, but I can do that. Let's fix it. First, as I said you, we need to press hard, not too hard because the zipper could break. Okay, after pressing, let's see if it works. It is so much tight right now because I pressed so hard to fix it. Let's see the zipper fix it or not. Yeah, it's fixed now, and our technique is worked. You can see it is worked. Hopefully you can solve your zipper issue like this. If your zipper is corrupted in bag or your pants or anything, any zipper, you can fix it by this trick. Hopefully this will work. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.